Today I'm going to be using some of the birds from the bird pack that is from Totally Dazzled. I'm doing a hummingbird paper from Reba Rose, so like that. So we're going to get started. I think the first thing I'm going to do is I am going to glue down the wood you bend, and then we're going to paint everything white. And then we can get started doing our decoupage, and then I'm going to go over everything with a little bit of this wax paste from Pentart. It's like a beautiful, they call it rose gold, but it's like a pinky gold. All right, so you're gonna warm up your wood you bend. I'm gonna throw some wood glue on this bad boy. Oh, there is. There's a hanger right here, so we're gonna make sure we do this the right way up. All right, so your girl's a dodo bird. So I want this to be the top, so what I'm gonna have to do is I'll have to get a sawtooth hanger and epoxy it right here on the back, because here's that little hanger, and I did the wood you bend wrong. Okay, so I'm gonna cut that one there. All right, so I have this, there it is. So now I got the paper all sized. Now I'm gonna paint it. I'm gonna paint this entire thing white. All right, so now is when our picture is gonna come to life and it's gonna start to look. So see, I was thinking we can take that pink wax. I feel like we kind of need to dark wax it though. Do you know what I mean? This is so like soft and like tea stained that we should do a little bit of wax on the frame. But I want to decoupage this first. All right, so I'm gonna go in with my Posh Chalk Pigment Infuser. Lay it down here in the center so we can decoupage. Yeah, I think it's gonna look better. Thank you, Susan. I think it's gonna look good if we wax it. So I'm gonna take that pigment infuser and I'm just going to seal my paper down. All right, so I'm gonna grab my pointed wax brush. I keep my wax brushes right here. All right, so I'm going in, yeah, the clear is still, but I'm scraping the barrel here with the dark. It's fabulous, and I'm just using my brush to get up all in there. And if I get a little bit on my paper, I'm not too concerned with that either, like literally scraping the barrel. I think this is going to be just enough to do this piece. So when you wax it, the wax is fantastic because the wax seals the paint. We are done. Look at this. Now, okay, so we gotta add the bling. I don't need to seal this because, there you go. Oh my God, is this not stunning? And here we go. Now is when we get this wax paste out. Then we're gonna add our our hummingbirds. So this is Pentart wax paste, okay? Okay, I know this is gonna be hard for y'all to see, but I put that pink wax from Pentart on there. Can you guys see it? It's real subtle. Look around the inside frame. It's just adding a little shimmer of color around that detail. It's super pretty. So I'm just kind of rubbing this on like the outside, like trying to catch like the highlighted parts, like the raised parts. It's just giving it a little bit of depth and dimension. You guys see that color? Can you guys see that little bit of shimmer? I know it's hard, but it's just adding enough. And let's see, these are silver, which I am okay with because this definitely has a shimmery feel. What I was originally thinking, I don't know, what do you guys think? I was thinking in the corners, like there, and then like opposing corners. I like them on the picture. I think they get lost in the frame, so I'm gonna do it like this. I like the 3. No, I could do 2. You like them flying together? That's too much. All right, I'm gonna do this. I like the way that looks. So anyway, guys, look at how cute that is. Like my little, they look like they're little 3D birds. Like it's a whole little flock of hummingbirds together, sharing in their meal, even though we don't do that. They don't do that. But there's the pink. You can see it. And stay sparkly, my friends. Bye, everyone.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.